Yeah.
Yeah.
As a child, we used our breath capacity to the fullest. Now, what happened when we become adult? Yeah, we got married, huh? So we got lot of stress from here and there. Yeah, are you with me? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
We got stress, which is because we live in the society, because we work, because we interact with people. So it is very natural that the stress comes on. Now, what is stress? Tell me. What is stress? What is stress? We all know. What is stress? Yeah.
Pressurizing ourselves to do something.
What? Pressure?
Pressurizing ourselves
Pressurizing ourselves. Very
on
good.
a particular
Okay.
thing.
What else? On a particular thing. Yeah. What else? What else? Yeah, come on. Vadiraj, Pooja, Karthik, Raj, Joynath ji, Sai. We all
No
we all
control,
want this to be interactive, right? Huh? Karthik, yeah?
no control on emotions, sir.
No control on emotions. Correct. Very good. Now, Karthik and other people, what all emotions really trouble us? You tell me. What all emotions trouble us and why? Yeah, what all emotions create problems? Yeah, tell me.
Depression,
Depression. Okay, what else? Anger, isn't it?
anger, yes, sir. Anger,
Anger, fear, regret. Are you with me?
yes,
Worry, tension. Yes, no?
yes, yes.
Yeah. So these are the emotions which create, which it's called as stress, and these are all related to the mind. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
how
Yes, sir.
does the mind work? You want to know how does the mind work?
Yeah.
You can start your video. That will be more fun. We all can do some. We also play a game. Yeah, come on, start your videos. I know you are at home, so it doesn't matter. You start your video. Sai, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Start your videos so that I want you to learn a lot of things from this session. There is a lot of takeaway from the session for our own life. Yeah. Come on, start your videos. Poonam, Karthik.
Yes, yes, sir.
Join us. Okay, are you with me? Okay, good. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you. Very nice. It's good to see the faces. No, otherwise I'm talking to the computer. Huh? That does not give happiness. Okay. So how does the mind work? Do like this, pendulum. Do like this. Ting tong. Ting tong. This is how the mind works. Huh? It either goes to the past or goes to the future. Yeah? Can you repeat with me? Goes to the past or goes to the
Future.
future. Now, when it goes to the past, what happens? What happens when it goes to the past? Yeah.
We think we think about the past, what we have done, what is our failures or uh, what you have done wrong. We think more. We will focus more on that.
Correct. You are right. Absolutely, Sai. Yeah. When the mind goes to the past, there is a regret of something which we could not do. Yeah. Or there is an anger When somebody has troubled us, we are angry about the person. So two emotions are associated with past. What are they? Anger and regret or guilt. Yeah. Take the mind to the future. Take the mind to the future. What is happening? Think about the future. What will happen after 10 days, after 2 months, after 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years? What will happen to my children? What will happen to my job? What will happen to my promotion? What is happening in the mind? Lots of planning and dream and expectations. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Lot of planning, dream, expectation. And what does that bring in the mind? Anxiety.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes.
Fear. Worry. Yes. No.
Yes. Yes. It creates stress also if you can't do it.
Yeah. So there are emotions associated with future are fear, worry, anxiety. Are you with me? Yeah. So our mind is constantly oscillating between the past and the future. Do the action like this, you will remember. Our mind is like this. Ting, tong, ting, tong. It goes from past to future, past to future. Yeah. Are you with me? Why did I do not do like this? What will happen to my children? Mind is very fast, it keeps moving. And where should the mind be? Yeah. Clap. Just do a clap right now. Do a clap. Where should the mind be?
Present.
In the present. Yeah. When the mind is in the present, there is no stress.
Yes.
Yeah. That means what? Stress is mind not in the present moment. When the mind is not in this moment, we are full of stress. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me? As a child, we did not have the stress. As a 3-year, 2-year child, he is not worried about the future. He does not think that my mama has slapped me 4 days back. Does he remember that? No, he cries and immediately smiles. As a child, we were in the present moment all the time. That is why we were so happy, we were so bubbling, we were so dynamic, we were so enthusiastic. Everyone loves children because they are always in the present moment up to certain age. Yeah? Yes? And it is possible for us also to bring the mind in the present moment. How? Ask me how. Yeah? By using your breath. Because your breath is also in the present moment all the time. You cannot say that, I have a lot of work today, I cannot breathe, let me breathe on Sunday. Can I do that? No, we cannot. Our breath is also in the present moment. Yeah? Yes? Are you able to hear me properly? Should I go slow or is it okay?
It's okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So the trick of bringing the mind lies where?
On breath.
In our breath, because that is tangible. Mind is intangible. We all have mind. Where it is, I don't know. But breath, we can feel the breath. We can take the breath. We can control the breath. We cannot control the mind using mind. It is very difficult. It is like writing a Schrodinger's equation. But using breath, it is easier. So as a teacher, we hold on to the students, and then we take them along. The same thing the breath does with our mind. Breath helps us to, slowly bring the mind from past and future into the present. Are you with me? Yeah? Yeah? See, past
Yes,
brings
sir.
tears. Bolo, past brings tears. Future brings fear. Present is very dear. Present is very dear. So live in
Dear.
the present moment. Live in the present moment. Yeah. How to live in the present moment? That is where the breath helps. You want to learn something about it little more deeper now? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, let us see one more tendency of the mind. This is the tendency of the mind. Mind's nature is to go from past to future. It is not your fault. Everybody's mind is like that. Whether you take Mukesh Ambani, whether you take Bill Gates, or whether you take a bhikari on the street, doesn't matter. Mind कैसे काम करता है? How does the mind work? Bolo, ting tong, ting tong. It goes from past to future, past to future. Yeah, it does not it does not matter how much knowledge you have, how much money you have, how much it doesn't matter. Mind's nature is ting tong. Like milk is white, nature of the mind is goes from past to future, past to future, past to future. Are you with me? Yes. Whether it is a student or a professor or a HOD or a principal or a vice chancellor, doesn't matter. Or it's a wife or a husband, doesn't matter. What? How is the mind? Ting tong. Clear? Yeah? Yeah? Second tendency of the mind. See, if I tell 10 compliments to Vadi Raj, I give him 10 compliments. You know, the shirt is so good and your smile is superb, Vadi Raj. And that, that exercise really suits you. But the color that you have on the collar, no, that is so thoda sa okay. What will Vadi Raj
It's
remember?
okay. Only this.
Color. So that is the nature of the mind. Second nature of the mind is mind always clings on to the negative. Mind clings on to the
Negative.
In the department everything is right, but that professor is a problem. Are you getting my point? My job is very good, but I have to go on Sunday also. Yes? Are you with me? There are some questions coming on the chat and I don't know how to open this chat here. Let me just see and open the chat. Where is the chat window? Oh, here. Okay. How could we resolve such mental? Okay, we'll come to that, Joynath. Yeah. So, where were we? We were at tendency of the mind. Second tendency of the mind is what? It clings on to the negative. We go to a marriage and we say everything was very good. The marriage was superb, but that gulab
Food was not
very
good.
sweet. Are you getting my point? It is not your fault. That is the way the mind works. When we know how the mind works, then we can handle it better. Are you with me? If you know one of your student is very problematic, then you can handle that student properly. No. Yeah. So our mind's nature is it goes from past to future. It clings on to the negatives. One more nature you want to know? Yes, no? Okay, close your eyes. Just close your eyes. And we will go to a zoo now. And in the zoo, there are a lot of monkeys. There are a lot of monkeys with black face. There is a monkey with a long tail. A lot of monkeys are there. Look at all the monkeys. There is one monkey with the red face. There is only one monkey with the red face. Don't look at the monkey with the red face. You can look at every other monkey. except that monkey with the red face. And now slowly open your eyes. What did you see? Madhiraj, Sai?
Monkey with
Karthik?
red tongue.
Monkey with the red face, isn't it? Yeah? Huh? Why is
Yeah.
it like that?
Yes,
Why is it like
because you insisted on that a number of times.
So that is the nature of the mind. Whatever you resist will persist. What did I say? Don't look at the monkey with the red face. When I say don't look, the mind goes there. So whatever you resist will persist. Are you getting my point? If we resist disturbance in our life, they will be more. Yeah? If you say, I have to go to the office today, I'm very late, I should not get any signal. On that day, if you see, you will get maximum red signals. Because that is the nature of the mind. Whatever you resist will persist. Yeah? Yes? Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And one more thing, what happens if you see our intellect always oscillating between yes and no. What it says, yes, no, yes, no. It is always constantly filtering. Now I am telling you something, your intellect is telling yes or no, yes or no. Yeah, it tries to decide. Yeah,
Correct.
decision making, yes, no, yes, no. Constantly it is yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And that also causes lot of stress on our system. Yeah, are you with me? It causes a lot of conflict in our system. Whether I should buy, when you go to a shop, whether I should buy this fridge or that fridge, I should buy this car or that car. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Constantly it is hammering our intellect. And that causes stress in the system. Are you with me? Yeah?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. So,
Yes.
what all have we covered till now? You tell me. Nature of the mind. What is the nature of the mind? First is what?
Ding dong. It oscillates.
Ding dong.
It
goes from
oscillates
where?
between two sets.
Past and future.
Correct. Oscillates between
Future
past and
and
future.
future.
And what is there in the past?
Stress.
Will only cry.
Stress is what? In what way the stress comes during the past?
Whatever bad things happen to us.
Anger, regret,
Anger.
and guilt. Yeah? What?
Anger, regret, and guilt.
You cannot be angry about the future. When the anger comes, it is always about the past. And what does the future bring us?
Anxiety.
Anxiety,
Anxiety.
fear, worry, tension. Yeah? So where should the mind be?
Oscillating
Present.
between.
This is a simple trick to bring the mind in the present moment. Just clap. When you clap, the mind comes in the present. Yeah?
Yes.
When you clap, the mind comes in the present. Yeah? That's why people say, oh, clap, 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 clap. As soon as you clap, this is a very good trick you can use in your classroom also. If the children are not listening, just make them clap by some game. Attention span will be much bigger for a longer time. Because clapping brings the mind in the present moment. One of the way to bring the mind in the present moment, just do the clap. But we cannot clap for the whole day. People will send us to mental hospital. Yeah. So that is when we need to take the help of the breath. Yeah. So that is the first nature. What is the second nature of mind?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, ask me. Yes.
Sir, then
Who is this?
you say Vadiraj here.
Vadip. Yeah.
We should never think about the future.
No, it is not like that. Think about the future. Let's say, for example, you want to go from Hyderabad to Bangalore. You purchased a ticket and you sat in the train.
Mhm.
The train is going to this thing. Yeah. Now, if you think, oh, when will I reach Hyderabad? When will I reach Bangalore? When will I reach Bangalore? What will that happen? That will create stress in the mind. You sat in the train. You are on the way now. So plan for the future and work for the future. But working will happen when? In the present. No.
In the present. Okay.
If you are constantly thinking about the future, your present is also getting disturbed.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you with me? Yeah. So definitely plan
Yes,
for
sir.
the future. But we plan and then we start working. If you plan too much, anxiety will kill the present moment.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Very good. So what is the second nature of the mind? It clings on to the what? Negative.
Negative.
We forget the positives. We forget the compliments which people has given to us. We cling on to the negative. Third nature of the mind is what?
What we persist, that will resist.
Correct. Whatever we resist, it will persist.
Sorry, what will resist?
What you resist will persist. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay, fantastic. Now, see, we all live at 7 levels. There are 7 levels of existence. When Sai says I am Sai, means what? There are 7 levels at which Sai exists. What are the 7 levels? First level is our body. We all have body. Yeah, just check if you have a body. Hey, na? We all have a body.
Yes, of course.
Second level of existence is our breath. Yeah, we exist because we are breathing. Yeah, are you with me? If the breath has stopped, then it is only body. There is no point.
No.
That's the only difference between a dead body and a live body. That we are breathing and the dead body is not breathing. Yeah. So second level of existence is our breath. Like that, there are 5 more levels. You tell me. You exist means what? You have a body, you have a breath, you have a what? Tell me.
Mind who thinks.
Mind, very good. Correct. We all have a mind. Very good. Fantastic. So body, breath, mind, what else? We all have it. It's very important faculty.
We feel hungry.
Hungry is part of the body, no?
Knowledge.
Soul.
Soul, very good.
Soul.
Yes, soul, perfect. Yeah. So body, breath, mind, soul. 3 more to go. Tell me.
Sensation.
Sensation happens where? In the body.
In the body. Yeah.
Yeah.
Memory.
Memory, very good, Sudhir. Fantastic. Clap for Sudhir. Very good. Memory. We all have memory, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Very good. So body, breath, mind, memory, soul. 2 more to go. Tell me. You all know it. We all have it. That is why we are in this profession. Yeah. We all have what? Brain. We all have intellect, no?
Yes, sir.
We are all intelligent people. We all have intellect. Yes, no?
Yes.
So intellect is a faculty which is very important. We all of us have it. Yes? So got it? So what are they? Body. Action के साथ करो तो याद रहेगा आपको. Action के साथ. Say body, breath, mind,
Breath.
ting tong, mind, then intellect. We all have intellect. Memory, we all have memory. Then the soul. One more level to go. Before soul, that is very important level. Tell me. You know it. Tell me, it's an important level of existence. We all exist and we all have it.
Angry?
Angry is an emotion. No, angry. You get angry because of something, and when you get angry, that level gets hurt. What is that level?
Ego?
Correct.
Ego.
Ego, Sudhir. Fantastic. Very good. Ego. We all have ego. Do we not have ego? Yes, we all have ego. So these are the 7 levels at which we exist. What are they? You all said it. See, body, action के साथ बोलो याद रहेगा. Body, breath,
Breath.
mind, intellect, memory,
Thinking.
ego. I am somebody. I am HOD. I am principal. I am a doctor. You know, I am a physician. I am a MD. I am a husband. I am a. This is all. This is ego. Nothing else. And the soul. So these are the 7 levels at which we exist. Yeah, and these 7 levels are perfectly harmonized when we were a small baby. Baby only uses his intellect which is required. He only uses the memory which is required. What is happening with us? We have so much in the memory which is not required, still it is dumped. Somebody has hurt us 10 years ago, we still have that in the memory. That person, you know, said something to me. That's it, gone. And our smile goes for a toss.
How to erase wrong?
Huh? How to erase it? That is very
How
important.
to erase it from wrong?
Yeah. How do you from wrong? Yeah. That is, we will learn this. You know, it is very much possible to erase it from the ROM. I get your point. We will do EEPROM programming. We will learn the software to manage this hardware. Huh? Very important. Yeah.
Yes.
See, that is where the breath comes into the play. The breath is the time. See, the 2 levels are tangible. What are they? Body and breath. The next 5 levels are intangible. Yeah. But using the 2 levels, which is our body and the breath, we can control the 5 levels of existence. So using your breath and the body, we can control the next 5 levels at which we exist.
Okay.
And when somebody is unhappy, that means some problem is there in these 7 levels. That's it, nothing else. There is a problem in the body or the mind or the intellect or the memory or the ego. Yeah, are you with me? Are you with me? And when these 7 levels are harmonized, we are very happy, we are very peaceful, we are very energetic, we are dynamic, we are enthusiastic. Our energy level goes high. When the energy level is high, we are very happy. Our mood is very good. Are you with me? Yeah.
Yes.
So I learned a lot of things in the computer science, but I never learned how to manage my mind. Because nobody teaches that aspect, unfortunately, in our curriculum. We may be doctorate in some subject. I may be doctorate in operating system. I may be doctorate in whatever ICs. But if I don't learn how to manage my mind, I mean, what's the use? Come on. Are you with me? Because my knowledge of computer science is limited only to that part when I'm working. That is only 20-30% of my life. Yeah. But how I interact with people, how I handle situation, that is more important than my domain knowledge. Yeah. Domain knowledge is important, no doubt about it. But that does not help me to be more happy, to be, more dynamic, to be more enthusiastic person. Yes, no? Yeah. So we will learn something about the breath. You want to learn something about the breath now? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
So let us learn something practical which will help us to, get the mind in the present moment. Make the mind more peaceful, more happy, more centered.
Okay.
So that's why I want your videos to be on. We will learn some techniques right now. I want to ensure that you are doing it right.
Yes.
Yeah. So sit at one place. We will require 15-20 minutes now. We will learn some practical techniques and we will go through this in a practical sense. So I would like you to sit down at one place, turn your videos on, and then we will learn this technique. We will learn one pranayam. Yeah? Should we start?
Yeah.
Are you all comfortable?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
great. Fantastic. Fantastic. Do your hands like this. Yeah. Elbows little down. Vadiraj, elbows little down. Elbows are near the rib cage like this. Yeah, very good. Correct. Correct. Yeah. Do like this. Now, when I say breathe in, your hands go up and the fist opens. Karke dekho. Just do it. Hands go up and the fist open. Open your fist. And when I say breathe out, hands come down and the fist close. Very good. Breathe in, hands go up, out, down. In, hands up, out, hands down. Yeah. Got it? Simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 So should we do it in a rhythm? We will do it in a rhythm. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now pranayam should be done with eyes open or eyes closed, you tell me.
Eyes closed.
Correct, with eyes closed. Yeah? Breath allows us to go into our inside world. Yeah? So with your eyes closed, you have to do this. I hope you all understood it because I can see only 2 videos right now. That is why I can help them if they are doing it right. You know, if you want to get it right, turn on your videos. Turn on your videos. We will be starting in 1 minute now. Yeah, so turn on the videos so that we can do it properly. You know, I can help you do it, and you can just mute yourself. Now you can mute yourself so that everybody can hear properly. Okay. Okay, great. So do hands like this. I'm assuming that you are able to see me and you are doing with me, because doing is more important. What we have seen right till now, we will be practically experiencing that aspect of our own existence now. So hands like this. Eyes are closed. Take one normal breath in, deep breath in. And breathe out. Hands go up, and breathe out, hands come down. Breathe in, hands go up, breathe out, down. In, out. In, hands up, out. Sigh, hands up, down. You can just keep your eyes open and do it. First round with your eyes open, do it so that you don't miss out on it. Okay? Okay. Hands are like this. Okay? We are doing the breathing technique, which is very powerful, which is very nice. You will see the difference in just 3 minutes right now. Okay. Hands up, fist opens, hands down, breathe out. Breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands down. Breathe in, very good. Breathe out. Breathe in, out. Do it. In, out. In, out. In, out. Eyes are closed now. In, out. Very good. In, out. In, out. Very good. In, out. In, out. In, out, and relax. Eyes are closed. Hands are on your lap. दोनों हाथ अपने घुटनों के ऊपर है. आंखें बंधी है आपकी. Eyes are closed. Observe the sensations in the body. Observe your breath. Let us do the second round of the pranayam. One more time. Hands are near the shoulders. Eyes are closed. Now you know it, how to do it. I will be guiding you. Take a normal breath in and let go. And together for pranayam, breathe in, hands go up, fist opens, out, hands come down. In, out. Very good. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. In, 1. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5, and relax. Eyes are closed. Hands on your lap. Open to the ceiling. Observe the sudden boost of energy in the body. Observe your breath. Let us get ready for third and final round of the pranayam. Loose fist near your shoulders. Very good. Take a normal breath in and let go. And for pranayam, breathe in, hands up, out, down. In, out. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. In, 1. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5, and relax. Eyes are closed. Both hands on your lap. Observe your breath. Observe the state of your mind. Take a breath in and breathe out. Very slowly, gradually, taking your own time, you may open your eyes. So what was your experience? How are you feeling now? You tell me.
My body started vibrating.
Sir, I felt relaxed and
Yeah.
composed. So I was on my present mood actually. I can see that my mind is so calm. It went so calm, and I got just relaxed so much. No more.
Very nice.
Very good. Very
Very
good.
nice. You're
More
more relaxed.
relaxed.
Yeah.
And it's very it's,
Yeah.
very effective too.
Very effective. Yeah. Very nice.
I could
Very
see
nice.
some vibration in my body.
Okay. Okay. What else, Vadiraj?
Then, for a time being, I forgot about my past and future also.
Ah, okay. Okay. How is it now? Where is your mind right now?
Present state. Not
Is it
thinking
state?
about anything else.
Correct. Correct. And how is this present state?
With
Probably
the,
I controlled my breath because of that,
Ah,
which in turn controlled my mind, I think.
correct.
we are more focused on our breath, sir. When we are taking in, when we are taking out. So with that, we have been in our present state.
Yeah, yeah. So true. So true. See, as Sai and Vadiraj rightly said, that you are more relaxed right now. And at the same time, the focus has improved. If you observe, this two combination is very unique. A lot of people are very relaxed. There is no focus in life. And a lot of people are very focused. There is no relaxation. These both things are required at the same time. And we achieved that state for few moments at least because of our breath. You just did for how many?
Yes.
3 minutes we did. We just did pranayam for 3 minutes. And you see the mind has automatically started settling down. The thoughts are reducing. And the thoughts are reducing. When the blackboard is getting more clean, you can see what is written on the blackboard now. Earlier, blackboard had lot of thoughts. Mind has lot of thoughts. The past, future, this, that, what is happening, what is going to happen. Lot of thoughts. The blackboard was, with lot of thoughts. Now, with the breath, we started removing things from the blackboard.
Yeah.
And when the blackboard is clean, whatever thought is coming, you can, it's a laser, your intellect becomes laser sharp.
Yes.
You can act on the thought in a better way.
Yes. Yes.
That means what? You can achieve what you want to achieve in a better way because your whole energy is working on that thought. That is what laser beam is all about. No, laser beam is what? The whole life
Highly
is
coherent.
exactly highly coherent.
Yes, sir.
So when you do these practices for a little longer time, this was just a glimpse. When you work on the breath, we worked on the breath. No, we did not work on the mind. We worked on the breath. The mind automatically starts becoming more coherent, more centralized, more centered, more calm, more peaceful. When the mind is calm, when the water in the lake is settled down, then you can see the depth of the lake.
Yes.
Correct.
So what we are doing, we are settling the thoughts which are there in the mind. When the thoughts settle down, you can see the depth of your own self, which is very peaceful, which is very happy. And everybody is so happy, so peaceful, so good from inside. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So the trick lies in our breath, because that is in our hand. Mind is not in our hand.
Yes.
So using
Correct.
what is tangible, we can control the intangible.
Yes.
Using the string, you can control the kite.
Yes.
Yeah.
The mind called as kite can be controlled using a breath called as string. So breath is the link between the mind and the body.
Absolutely.
Are you with me?
Absolutely true.
When you win over the mind, you win over the whole world.
Yeah.
Whose mind? My own mind.
Or
Yes.
Yes, sir. Our own mind.
The whole problem lies with our own mind, nothing else. Somebody has asked a question, Joynath Mishra. You know, when we do the best from our end and could not show or misses something to do, how do we resolve such mental situation? It is all in our mind. We have a lot of expectations. Expectations create unhappiness in our own mind. Yeah, are you with me?
Yes.
See, do not like some person, let us say. You know, that person is enjoying in Mahabaleshwar in Switzerland. But thinking about that person, my mind gets disturbed. So where the problem lies?
Within
Whose
us.
mind?
Our mind.
So it is important to have my peace of mind, otherwise it becomes pieces of mind.
Yes,
Are you with me?
sir.
Yes.
And the techniques
Means
are,
we
yeah, tell me, sorry.
means we should not give control of our mind in others' hand.
Perfect. Absolutely right. See, my remote should be in my hand. If I give remote of my television to somebody, they will push the buttons and they can change the channels.
True.
Somebody will put Cartoon Network, somebody will say MTV, somebody will say sports, and we keep dancing like that. So keep your remote in your pocket.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And this is very much possible not only at the intellect level, at the happening level, using breath. That is what I have learned in Art of Living.
Okay.
You know, using breath, these 5 levels, the mind, intellect, memory, ego, and self, they can get controlled automatically when we focus on our breath. And Sudarshan Kriya does exactly that. Sudarshan Kriya is a technique, it is a breathing technique which helps us to harmonize the 7 levels of existence using our breath.
Sir, can you tell
Okay.
the Kriya name once more? Sudarshan Kriya.
Yeah, Sudarshan Kriya is what we learn in Art of Living programs. What in the FDP, you will learn this technique in a proper way. You know, in a proper way, you will learn this technique, and how to do it also you will learn. Once we learn this, once we practice it, you will see that the mind becomes so calm, so focused, intellect becomes very sharp, and life becomes a celebration.
That is what is important.
Exactly. My life, what I had everything materially which was possible, but still my mind was not happy. You know, घर का गुस्सा ऑफिस में, ऑफिस का गुस्सा घर में. This was my routine. And that was, now I tell you, in my family, I have a diabetic history of my mother, of my father, of my 2 brothers. I am running 52 right now, no diabetes, no blood pressure. Because all these diseases are psychosomatic, they are related to mind. When the mind is happy, your immunity goes high multifold. Your productivity goes high.
True.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, today the problem that we have with the students is the focus is not there. They are clogged in a lot of relationship problems or anger or irritation, anxiety, worry. You observe it every day with your students.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
not. It is not their
Yes.
fault.
Yes.
This is the way the mind works. And unfortunately, they have not been taught how to take care of the mind.
True.
So
Yes.
Art of Living programs is exactly that. It helps them to train their own mind using the breath.
Isha.
Yes? Huh?
Yes.
Along with
Yes,
that,
sir.
we also learn meditation. We learn meditation. You have seen there are 4 sources of energy: food, sleep, calm, and meditative state of mind and breath. So using breath, it helps us to energize. You know, like Vadira said, I was feeling some energy in my body. Energy is getting created from your own system. using the breath, using pranayam. Yeah.
Yeah.
And these
Yes.
are very ancient techniques. These are there from thousands of years. India is the origin of all these techniques to the whole world. You know, it is a multi-billion-dollar industry in America right now, which started from India.
Yeah.
So it is time that we get back and learn these techniques and help ourselves better. What do you say?
Yeah. True.
Yeah. You know, after I did the program, after I learned this technique and after I practice it, I hardly need to go to the doctor. I handle multiple business right now. I take care of family. I am at so many different associations. I am still have a lot of time because my work gets very fast. My intellect becomes very sharp. There is no confusion.
Because our mind is calm.
Exactly. Because the mind, there is no confusion because the mind becomes calm. And I don't tell my mind to become calm.
Yeah. We have to control by breathing.
Exactly. That's it. That's it. So should we meditate for some time now? We should
Yes.
do a small
Yes.
meditation.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Are you all
Sure.
with me?
Yes.
Okay. See, we cannot change the situation around us.
Yep.
That is not possible. But we can definitely change our mind.
Our state of mind.
हम परिस्थिति नहीं बदल सकते हैं, हम मनस्थिति को बदल सकते हैं.
Yes.
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 किसकी मनस्थिति बदल सकते हैं? खुद की.
हमारे.
हमारी. हमारी वाइफ की नहीं बदल सकते हैं, हस्बैंड की नहीं बदल सकते हैं, एचओडी की नहीं
That is
बदल
true.
सकते हैं, स्टूडेंट की
That
नहीं
is
बदल
true.
सकते हैं,
Correct.
खुद की बदल सकते हैं. Your smile is your responsibility.
Yeah.
Yes, no.
Yes.
So let us do a small meditation.
Yes.
Yeah. Meditation, there are 3 golden rules of meditation. What are they? First rule is, for the next 10-15 minutes, just think that I want nothing. What?
I want nothing.
I want nothing.
I don't want anything.
I don't want anything. Second rule is what? I do nothing.
I do nothing.
I do nothing.
Aprayatna. It is also called aprayatna.
Prayer.
Achaha, aprayatna, and akinchan. Akinchan means what? I am nothing.
I am nothing.
It is not because of me.
Yeah, I am nothing. I am not a doctor. I am not a student. I am not a housewife. I am not a housewife. I am nothing.
I am not assistant professor.
I am not assistant professor. Correct. That was out.
Yes.
Yeah. So just
Yeah.
remember these 3 golden rules when you do meditation. Yeah. For the
Okay.
next 10-15 minutes, I do nothing. I want nothing. I am nothing. That's it. Yeah. I will guide you through the meditation. Listen to the instructions like you listen to the music. Don't pay too much attention to the instruction also.
Okay.
Like when the person massages your back, how do? You just loosen it up. No, let him do what he wants.
Okay.
So meditation is like that. Meditation is
Okay.
a beautiful massage to our whole system. Yeah.
Yes.
So keep your eyes closed and we will do a short meditation. Listen to the instruction in a very light, gentle manner, and we will see the result after we do it. It is not concentration. Concentration is opposite of meditation.
Okay.
Meditation is deconcentration.
Okay.
Okay, great. So let's do it. Let's mute yourself and sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in and let go. Breathe out. Take one more normal breath in and breathe out completely. Become aware of the environment around you. Listen to all the sounds. that you can hear right now. There can be a sound of the fan, of the children, some utensils, or somebody talking in your home or in your office. Listen to all the sounds and accept each and every sound. Now you are in harmony with the environment this moment. इस क्षण में आप वातावरण से एक हो चुके हो. Take a breath in and breathe out. Let go. Become aware of your body. Your body is a beautiful gift given by nature. With lot of love. It's an amazing body that we have. Honor your body. Slowly take attention to your right feet, right ankle. Gentle attention towards your right knee, right knee, and the whole right leg. पूरा दाहिना पैर ढीला छोड़ दे. Left foot, left ankle. Slowly, slowly we will go. Left knee, left thigh, and the whole left leg, पूरा बायां पैर. Breathe in and breathe out. Genital, stomach, chest region, right shoulder, right hand, shoulder, left hand, throat, face, चेहरा, top of your head, and the whole body, पूरा शरीर. your whole body. Breathe in and let go. Become aware of your thoughts. Good thoughts or bad thoughts. Do not resist any thought. Our thoughts are like the waves in the ocean. They come and they go. You are in harmony with your thoughts moment. Breathe in and let go. Become aware of your feelings. Pleasant feeling or unpleasant feeling. Let it be. You are in harmony with your feelings this moment. Breathe in and breathe out. You are peace. You are joy. You are love. Become aware of your feelings if there are any. Become aware of your thoughts if there are any. Breathe in. Become aware of your body. Become aware of the surrounding. Breathe in. With a smile, you may open your eyes. Very nice. How was it? How are you feeling now? Yeah, Sai. Yeah, Vadiraj.
Sir,
We went into some other word. Initially, you told us to concentrate on outside sound and all. Slowly, one by one, started vanishing. Then after some time, I could see on my forehead, some waves are hitting me and some waves are going out. That is what I could see. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
And again, I came back only when you
How are
said,
you feeling now?
my full body is calm now. It is enjoying something which I can't express.
Fantastic. 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 That is your nature. What you cannot express is beyond words. That is our nature. It's very peaceful, very from inside you are happy with yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah, very nice. We just meditated for 11 minutes. Oh, very nice. How was it for you, Sai?
said very good. Even
Yeah.
see that concentrate on each and every part, right? Like legs, when you go for knees. So I can feel that the circulation of something on my body. So how the things are moving.
Yeah.
Even I can pursue the smallest thing that is being changed in my body. So that is an excellent thing I felt when I meditate here. That is true. And the mind went very calm, very much calm.
Okay.
Really. Even I can't able to express that how much calm I'm feeling now and how much happy I'm feeling now. Sorry, sir, it's my mom
Fantastic.
talking inside.
No problem. No problem. No problem. So beautiful. And was it difficult?
No, sir, it's not at all difficult.
Exactly. It's not difficult at all. It's not difficult at all. It is just giving some time for ourselves, And see, now our perception changes. There are three things. No, perception, observation, and expression. What we perceive from the outside world, what we observe inside what is happening, then we express what we feel. So there needs to be an improvement in all these three aspects. Yeah, because of doing this pranayam meditation, all these three things become very good. Our perception about the outside world changes, our observation about our own self starts happening, and our expression becomes much better. At least that happened with me. I mean, it's amazing.
It is true. As if you are spending, after a long time, you are spending time with yourself only.
Yes, sir. That is true.
So true. And it is worth spending time with yourself, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. The time we spend with ourselves, no, it is the most beautiful time.
Yeah,
Because we are a fountain of joy, we are a fountain of love, we are a fountain of enthusiasm, we are a fountain of productivity.
yes, true.
So this was just a a glimpse of what is there ahead of us. There is so many things, which we can learn when we go little deeper, when we give some little more time to ourselves. Yeah. And FDP, exactly, and this is what human values is all about. Human values is about being more happy, more productive, more enthusiastic, more peaceful. That is everybody's nature. That is a human is all these things. Human is not irritation, human is not angry, human is not about being anxious, human is being happy.
Correct.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
So that was all from my side. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you will go for the FDP that we have, which goes into much deeper aspects.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. And we have a program for children also, for the students also, which is very, very important for their own career, for their own life, and for the nation.
Okay.
These are the future citizens of our India, of the world. It's very important that their mind gets coherent.
Correct.
Correct.
So I thank you very much, Hari Krishna and the whole team. If you have any questions, let me know.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. It's really a wonderful session, sir. We can't express in words, sir, actually. But I thank you very much on behalf of AICTE and on behalf of Kakatiya University, Warangal. I say thank you, sir. On behalf of participants, especially, I say thank you, sir. Thank you for sparing your valuable time with us and encouraging us in our body sense. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah.
So you can do this every day. Yeah? Do this every day
Yes.
before food.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, what is the best time, sir?
It will take 3-4 minutes. After that, you just sit for 5-10 minutes and done. Yeah.
What is
had
the
a
best
question?
time to do this?
Empty stomach. Empty stomach. So before breakfast you can do, before lunch you can do, before dinner you can do. You can do before breakfast. That is best, so that the energy you can utilize for the whole day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Once again. Next session going to be started in few minutes. So thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
Thank you. Namaskar. Yes,
Thank you,
namaskar.
sir. Thank you so much for the session.
Have
Thank
a
you.
beautiful day. Have a beautiful life.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
surely.
Yes.
Thank you very
so
much,
much.
sir. Thank you
Keep
very much.
smiling.
Yeah. Sir,